Today we are discussing nuclear chemistry. Now, normally we'd be doing an experiment, but unfortunately there are no great ways to test this at home, so I'll be giving a presentation instead. The main topics of this presentation will be the atomic bombs and hydrogen bombs. I will discuss what they are made of and how they function, and before beginning, there are a few definitions that are important for us to understand. First, it is important to know that nuclear bombs are weapons of mass destruction that use nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. Fission happens when the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei and produces a large amount of energy, which is more common in bombs that use uranium and plutonium isotopes. Fusion is a reaction in which two or more nuclei join to form one or more atomic nuclei and subatomic particles, and may release or absorb energy. This is more common in hydrogen bombs. Another term that is important to know is critical mass. Critical mass is defined as the minimum fissile material needed to maintain a nuclear chain reaction. Now we can move on to talk about the different types of bombs. Atomic bombs typically utilize a uranium isotope. The most commonly found isotope found in nature is the uranium-238 isotope, but there is a uranium-235 isotope that is used more often, and it needs to a bomb needs to have about 80% concentration for it to be most effective. The atomic bomb can also be made using a plutonium isotope. However, it is rare to find it naturally in nature, and it usually has to be artificially made. This bomb can explode by way of nuclear fission when critical mass is reached. Typically, 4 to 5 masses of critical matter is needed for a bomb that is meant to do a lot of destruction. These bombs are implosive, and the outside coating is an explosive material. Once the outside has exploded, the contents inside of the bomb begin to move closer and starts a chain reaction where free neutron reaches the uranium or plutonium, which releases energy and more free neutrons. And that just continues to happen until all of the uranium or plutonium is used up. Now, hydrogen bombs are different in the sense that they work by using nuclear fusion. So the nuclei fuse together and then release energy. These hydrogen bombs do not have a limit to how strong they can be and have the potential to do a lot of damage. All nuclear bombs give off radiation. There are different types of radiation. There are 3, and those types are alpha, beta, and gamma radiation, which can cause harm to humans and the Earth. Alpha radiation is the less serious of the 3, and clothing is able to protect the skin from damage. Beta is the intermediate of the 3 and can cause burns and cataracts up to tens of meters away. And the most serious of the 3 is gamma radiation. It is a high-frequency radiation that can easily enter the body, and it can cause radiation burns, radiation sickness, and even cancer.